Hi guys, welcome back. This is Crypto 101, the home of good value and good information when it comes to cryptocurrency trading and investment. And here, the crypto update talking about the headlines that have been making the waves for the past days. And we all know it's no longer in news. The Saudi Arabia won their first World Cup play in Argentina, and that has skyrocketed the fan token. And you'll be amazed to see that. These are the headlines. Saudi Arabia NFT collection sales after unexpected soccer win against Argentina. The Argentines fan token on the other side slide 21% following the team loss on Monday. And we all know there was even a public holiday published regarding the win. I think that's good news. Tornado Cash developer Alex Patsev to stay detained until next year hearing. And we all know he was detained some months ago. People shouted and saying no, they want him released. He was released, but now he's been apprehended back and is behind the bar right now. CoinMarketCap launches proof of reserve tracker for crypto exchange. We all know the crypto exchange has been the order of the day, talking about the proof of reserve, so we can be sure we know that this CEX, talking about centralized exchange, are in good conditions. And now CoinMarketCap, a company or a website that track down the assets of different projects, have now launched what we call proof of reserve tracker on their platform. You might want to check that out. Also, we have Genesis Bankruptcy, Jitters send Bitcoin to a fresh low. If you check the show, there's a video where I analyze the show that we've been seeing the market down to 2-year low in history. And now we have Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is protected from fallout at sibling company Genesis Global. I think this is big and you might want to check that out. Also, Grayscale Bitcoin Trust hit record low of 43% discount after FTX crisis. That is huge. And are they going to survive this? Are they going to liquidate all their Bitcoin with Coinbase? You need to check that out. Another headline that's been making waves on our radar is Cathy Woodard invests scoops another 1.4 million US dollars of Grayscale Bitcoin Trust. And I think that's why they're experiencing the discount. Also, Gemini, part of Grayscale investment. Gemini is still working with Genesis digital currency group to unlock the end user withdrawal. We all know the auto withdrawal because they needed about 1 billion bailout, and they've said if they do not get any help, they might file bankruptcy. Also, speaking about Genesis trading warns of possible bankruptcy as post FTX fundraising falters. You need to check that out as well. Another headline here is digital currency group says no imminent threat despite owing Genesis 575 million. I think a lot of these are cryptocurrency exchanges that deals with lending, and all this staking are in trouble now because FTX too, a lot of money were outside that, and that's why they are in trouble. So you need to be careful when you're dealing with one. Let's check out another news on the radar. Genesis calls in restructuring expert in its fight to avoid bankruptcy. And now we've been talking about Genesis and now Grayscale and all of that. And they're saying if they take all their money out of Bitcoin, Bitcoin too might liquidate. Is it true? The CEO came out to say no, we are in good condition and nothing will happen to Coinbase. But we can see here that it is another thing that is happening on the radar. Coinbase stock hits all-time low as Bitcoin, Ethereum decline in the market. Sam Bankman-Fried, deepfake attempt to scam investors impacted by FTX. Also, Sam Bankman-Fried conspire with SEC for special treatment. One of the U.S. Congress has been preaching about that, and it's been trending on Twitter as well. You might want to check that out. FTX bankruptcy filing. No amount will be paid to Sam Bankman-Fried or to Sam Bank Friedman. I don't know what the name is, but some people are even calling him Sam Scam Bank Fraud. I don't know, different name is being attached to this guy, but you need to check it. But it said that FTX bankruptcy filing, no amount will be paid to SBF or his inner circle. And we're going to get to know about that because they've moved the judge or the case to Delaware now from Bahamas, and we're going to follow up from there. FTX here in Bahamas liquidator transfer case to Delaware. Creditor names remain redacted, and I think that is good because nobody wants to feel the fall or the shame of what is going on in the space right now. And speaking about FTX, we all know Solana has been hit by a heavy punch regarding their affiliated or regarding the stake with FTX, and now we can see Solana loses 1 billion in USDT to ETH in Tether chain swap. That is huge, man. And also on Solana, we can see Solana market cap shrinks below Litecoin in protracted descent. And that's what I have for you on the headlines today. C. Ronaldo will be playing today, even a fan of football, and his NFT is out there talking about his collection on Binance. Do your research before you put your money on any project. This is all I have for you today until I catch you on another crypto update talking about the headlines that is making waves in the crypto world. I still remain myself, Ahmed Alad Kazim, and a peace out.